Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to our culinary journey where we explore the incredible world of flavors. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the ever-popular avocado. This green gem is not just a staple in your brunch toast, it's a powerhouse of nutrients, bursting with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. The versatility of avocados extends far beyond the traditional guacamole. Stick around as we whip up 3 mouth-watering recipes that'll make you fall in love with avocados all over again. First up, we have the avocado and tomato salad. It's fresh, it's zesty, and it's the perfect way to kick off a meal. This recipe is as simple as it is delicious. Start by dicing ripe avocados and juicy cherry tomatoes. The blend of these two creates a color palette that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Then, add a handful of fresh basil leaves for that aromatic touch. Drizzle with a bit of extra virgin olive oil, a squeeze of lemon for that tangy kick, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Toss everything together gently, ensuring the avocado pieces remain intact. The creamy texture of avocados combined with the juicy burst of cherry tomatoes. It's a match made in heaven. Voila! Now, let's turn up the heat with our second recipe, avocado and chicken stuffed wraps. This isn't just about a delicious bite, it's a nod to all those who enjoy a low-carb lifestyle. Imagine a wrap, brimming with succulent chicken, creamy avocado slices, and a medley of vibrant, crunchy veggies. The secret lies in the harmony of flavors. The avocado with its buttery texture pairs beautifully with the savory chicken, while the veggies add a delightful crunch. To assemble, we layer each ingredient, roll up the wrap tightly, and there you have it. We're rolling with flavor here. The creaminess of the avocado complements the savory chicken, and when you add those crunchy veggies, it's a party in your mouth. Saving the best for last, avocado chocolate mousse. Yep, you heard it right. Avocado and dessert? Trust me on this one. It's a game changer. This recipe is a sweet surprise, unveiling the versatility of avocado in a whole new way. You'll need ripe avocados, dark chocolate, a sweetener of your choice, a splash of almond milk, and a hint of vanilla extract. Melt the chocolate, blend in the avocado until smooth, and add the remaining ingredients. Chill it in the fridge and you've got yourself a decadent dessert that's not only delicious but also packed with healthful fats. This creamy, rich, and guilt-free treat is proof that avocados can indeed create magic in the kitchen. And the best part? You won't even taste the avocado. There you have it. 3 incredible avocado recipes that prove this green gem is more than just a trendy Instagram post. Thanks for joining me on this avocado adventure. Remember, good food equals a happy heart. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.